The human brain is an extraordinary machine, capable of executing over 100 billion operations per second. Its countless cells, each connected to thousands of other cells, make it possible. Imagine your business operating like the human brain, with its different functions working seamlessly together. Sales function receiving and processing the orders. Production team executing, planning and scheduling for order fulfillment. IT and operations regulating the movement in action. And HR function connecting and integrating people with the processes. Say, a software to manage payroll, an ERP for other processes, and so on. But changing times demand these systems integrate and work in sync. BatchMaster ERP and BatchMaster HRMS complement each other well to open new avenues of insights for the business. For example, workforce management functions like time and attendance can be incorporated into shop floor planning and job costing analysis. Similarly, payroll functions like expense reimbursement can be linked directly into ERP to calculate the product cost, all in real time. This integration offers a single source of truth, leading to greater efficiency, faster decision-making, and better collaboration between various departments. Get the BatchMaster ERP and BatchMaster HRMS combo for your business and make it more agile, instinctive, and intelligent, just like the human brain. For more information on how this integration can work wonders for your business, visit www.batchmaster.co.in.